So my dear students, now we'll discuss about all these things. First of all, what we found after discussing about all these materials, and you can say by these materials it helps a lot to manufacture, to prepare, or to produce an object. At times an object is made of single materials, I have already told you. An object could also be made of many different materials, I have already told you. Then again, one material could be used for making many different objects, I have already told you and given certain examples. So we need to know more about the different materials by its properties or characteristics. ये सबसे जरूरी होता है बेटा, the properties as well as the characteristics. Without the knowledge of the properties or characteristics, we can sorting the materials. We are discussing now about the characteristics or properties of the materials. What are the materials? Materials are the things by the help of them or by the materials certain new objects formed. ये नया ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने के लिए जो चीज की जरूरत होता है ना बेटा, वो चीज का नाम होता है मटेरियल्स. तो सेटिंग करने के लिए, अलग अलग ग्रुप करने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? द सिस्टम इज देयर, द रूल इज देयर, द पॉलिसी इज देयर. क्या होता है बेटा? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रॉपर्टीज और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. देयर आर सो मेनी प्रॉपर्टीज, सो मेनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. सो क्या करना चाहिए? वन बाय वन विल डिस्कस. It is my sincere request, please be attentive in this class. Note down all the properties systematically as I have been explaining you. Look at the board, look all the pictures, note down the notes as well as listen it carefully. And another one important thing, my dear students, I have already told you in your first class, I am not only your science faculty, I am one of your best friend. Do you know? In Odeon learning, we have a friendly atmosphere. Okay, you can ask as many questions to us, as many questions, any doubt at any moment you please ask us, and we are there to guide you. We have no mind to mind, but essential क्या होता है बेटा? सबसे जरूरी क्या होता है? क्वेश्चन पूछना, डाउट क्लियर करना. समझ में आई या समझ ना पाई? समझ में आई. वेरी गुड. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. लेट्स first properties or characteristics. Individually we'll discuss one by one. That first characteristics or properties we'll discuss just now. This is called as a characteristic based on its appearance. दिखने के लिए किस होता है? उनका appearance क्या है बेटा? दिखने के लिए किस होता है? दिखने से पता चला जाता है. Appearance, from appearance we can explain this is material called as dash. Am I clear? So what is this? We'll go through the details. Characteristics based on appearance. Appearance को लेके क्या क्या characteristics है बेटा, उसको जानकारी होना चाहिए. Please note down all the notes and listen carefully. Look at the board. Characteristics based on appearance. First one, the appearance of various materials varies. अलग अलग material का appearance अलग होता है, दिखने के लिए अलग होता है. You all are seated here inside this classroom. दिखने के लिए all students are different. You have been also wearing different colorful dresses. Yes or no? So, like this, my dear students, the materials according to the appearance they varies. दिखने के लिए अलग अलग होता है बेटा. Some appear dull, दिखने के लिए थोड़ा डल होता है, इतना शाइनिंग नहीं होता है बेटा. And non-lustrous, while others appear shiny and lustrous. कई सारी मटेरियल्स शाइनिंग नहीं होता है बेटा, कई सारी मटेरियल्स शाइनिंग होता है. बाप रे बाप. That is there. We'll read it carefully. Next, the appearance of wood is dull. देखो बेटा, wood देखो. I have shown you, again also I am showing wood. डल दिखता है कि नहीं? And in the same, just opposite, this is the base is made up of wood, looking so dull. Just front, here metal is added, and metal is shining or not? Which part is shining? This part or this part? Tell me. Oh, this part. Oh, this part is shining. Why? Because it is metal. This is a material and this is lustrous and shiny. But the wood is non-lustrous and dull. Am I clear? This is an example, my dear. Like this, there are so many materials. We can categorically divide them. Some are looking as dull, appearance is like dull, non-shiny. Some are lustrous and shiny. This stainless steel, tell me, this is made up of with metals, and this is shiny or dull? Shiny. Yes or no? Like this. Good. Next, the appearance of wood is dull. Then copper, gold, iron and other metals all have lustrous, brilliant appearances. दिखने के लिए चिक चिक करता है बेटा. वाह, so shiny. The term metals generally refers to such things that appear bright and shiny. Metal क्या होता है बेटा? There are so many other characteristics there in metal. In higher classes, we'll read it carefully. No issue. No need to worry about it. But this much as required for standard 6, now we are discussing about that much only. This metals, what is the metal? Metal are refers such things that appear bright and shiny. चिक चिक करता है बेटा, दिखने के लिए बहुत सुंदर. This is the stainless steel. This is metal. This is shining or not? Yes, it is shining. खुद का मुंह भी देखो बेटा, shining. Like this. Next, my dear, as because this is certain characteristics and based on different appearance, I'll just show you certain pictures here. Okay, just give a look to this picture. Wood is there, it's dull and non-lustrous, and you see the gold. This is one piece of gold, so shiny. Yes or no? This is differentiation based on the characteristics, based on their characteristics. And the characteristics is called as their appearance. After appearance, my dear, we'll go to discuss about another characteristics. And these characteristics nothing but this is called as the texture. This is called as the texture. Some materials are soft, some are hard. Some materials are soft, some are hard. A material that is easily compressed or scratched is said to be soft. For example, sponge, cotton. I will show you. You just look at this. Doraemon. You all watching the TV? Yes or no? This is a cartoon show. Nobita, Doraemon, Shizuka, Babre Bab. This is the favorite for all the kids. You also interested for that? Yes or no? Very good. But mind us students, don't waste maximum valuable time to watch the television. Okay, half an hour sufficient, no issue to watch the cartoon show. But you can go for so many intelligent shows are there in your television. You can go through that. You can learn so many things. My dear students, time is most precious in this world. Okay, so watch your time fast. Don't waste your valuable time. So what are discussing about the sponge or cotton? This Doraemon cartoon, this is a toy, yes or no? And this toy is made up of with cottons, or inside this sponge is there. You just see. When I pressurized it, क्या होता है बेटा? होता है कि नहीं? Soft. Please test it, everybody. हाँ, good. आप देखो, आप भी देखो. हाँ, very good. This soft like structure. Okay. Next, a material that is difficult to compress, cut or break is said to be hard. Too hard. Okay. Just I'm showing. This is the lock. Yes and no? Can I compress it? No, never. Why? Because it is hard. This is called the texture. So here, the best example is iron, copper, and this lock is made from iron. It is made up of iron also. So that's why it is too hard. It can't be compressed. But as this toy is made up of sponge and cotton, you can what? If you give certain pressures, it will be squeezed. So it is called as the soft materials. So this is called as the texture of certain materials. The best example here, you can say so many picturizations are there. Soft sponge and teddy bear. This is a sponge. This is a teddy bear made up of cotton and sponge. And you see, these are the bricks. They are too hard. Bone, the piece of bone. This is eaten by the dog. You should know this is too hard. So this is called as the texture of certain materials, the characteristics of certain materials by their textures. First we discussed about the appearance, then we have discussed about the texture. Now the third one is most important. That is called as the characteristics based on the solubility. Solubility. Okay, here what is solubility? Okay, we'll discuss about what is solubility. Before entering into the word solubility, I'd like to tell you one thing. You all have consumed, जैसे लस्सी होता है बेटा, और शुगर लेमन का जूस, ओनली शुगर का पानी जो होता है, पानी में शुगर ऐसे करके पी लेते बीच बीच पे. So there are certain characteristics that are related with certain materials, and it depend upon that property is called as your solubility. These are various solutes in water such as salt, sugar, sand, chalk powder and sawdust. Yes or no? There are so many materials that is written here for our discussion, my dear. What? Like in water, salt, sugar, chalk powder and sawdust. Okay, these are the different materials. Okay, we'll do it. We have also glass here. This is the glass, and I'll put certain water here. You should know, my dear. Good. And what our notes told us, such as salt, sugar. Okay, we put sugar. Okay, क्या करना है बेटा, sugar डालना है इसमें. Okay, good. You all are fond of sugar. Those who are fond of sugar, raise your hand. Oh, क्यों? मिठास होता है ना. Oh, very good. चले. We'll add certain sugar here. Okay. Here, this is sugar, my dear. Okay, I'll put certain sugar. Oh. Okay, sugar. I added certain sugar. Good. What to do now? Okay, we'll stir it. Stir it with the help of a spoon. With the help of a spoon. क्या करते बेटा? Stirring process is going on. I am stirring here. Okay. I am stirring. Stir process. You just see. Stir, 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 stir. ऐसे करना बेटा. हाँ, और भी पानी दे लीजिए, और भी पानी डाल दीजिए. The process is going on. Okay. चलिए, this process is going on so nicely. Okay, किसको पीना है उसको? हाथ उठाओ. After completion of solution, who is interested to drink it? किसको पीना है? अरे बाप रे, सबको पीना है. अच्छा. चले, थोड़ा थोड़ा टेस्ट कर लेते, जैसे प्रसाद है. चले, मम्मी पूजा करने के बाद क्या होता है ना, जो भगवान के पास लगता है ना, जो प्रसाद है, थोड़ा बहुत शुगर का जो कैंडी होता है ना, उसको भी सब खा लेते हैं. गुड. यू जस्ट सी वन थिंग, मैंने कितना सारा शुगर डाल दिया था. अभी आफ्टर द स्टीरिंग प्रोसेस, व्हाट यू आर फाइंडिंग? गिव ए लुक एवरीबडी. हैं, आप देखो, आप भी देखो. बाप रे बाप. वेयर आर ऑल sugars has gone? Because this process is called as solubility. They are soluble. मिल गया बेटा. कहाँ? पानी के साथ मिल गया. कौन मिल गया? Sugar. So this water is called as your solvent. वाटर क्या करते बेटा, उसका नाम क्या होता है? सॉल्वेंट. एंड जो शुगर डाला ना बेटा वो है सल्यूट. द शुगर वी हैव एडेड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द सल्यूट. एंड द प्रिपरेशन वी हैव डन इनसाइड द ग्लास, जो प्रिपरेशन हुआ, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन. व्हिच सॉल्यूशन? शुगर सॉल्यूशन. क्यों हमने सॉल्यूशन बोला? बिकॉज द शुगर इज सल्यूबल इन द वाटर. ये वाटर के अंदर सल्यूबल मिल गया, मिक्स्ड विद द वाटर. दिखाई नहीं देखा बेटा, और दिखा, और थोड़ी देर में बिल्कुल एक भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं बचेगा नीचे, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा पानी के अंदर. यू सी, सो शुगर इज सल्यूबल इन वाटर and accordingly this solubility is also an characteristics. ये भी गुण होता है, वैशिष्ट होता है, characteristics होता है materials का. If sugar is a material and is a soluble, the characteristics it can soluble in water. Not only sugar my dear, also क्या बताओ? हाँ, good, दीपंकर ने सही बोला, salt. If you put salt ऑल्सो इट मिक्स. बिकॉज मम्मी ने जब खाना पकाता है ना बेटा, सब्जी के अंदर नमक भी डाल देता है. नमक बच जाता है क्या सब्जी के नीचे? नो, दैट इज मिक्स्ड विद द एंटायर करी. एंड व्हेन एवर ईटिंग, ओह मम्मी नमक सही है एकदम, ज़्यादा हो गया तो ज़्यादा नमक हो गया. कैसे पता चलता है बेटा? दैट इज मिक्स्ड एंटायरली विद दैट करी. सब्जी के साथ मिल गया बेटा. Am I clear? So this is called as the solubility. But another one thing, my dear, just I am telling you again, we have added sugar in this solution. But now in another glass, also I will take certain water. I will add another one thing. What is this? Just ये बालू होता है बेटा, sand. Okay, बालू होता है, sand. Okay, just I will put this sand. चले, सैंड भी डाला, बालू भी डाला पानी के अंदर. देखते सल्यूबल होता है कि नहीं. ये जो सल्यूबिलिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होता है कि नहीं बेटा. चले, उसको भी आई विल स्टीर इट. स्टीरिंग प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन. ओके, प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन. किसको पीना है? हाथ उठाओ. ये बालू है पानी के अंदर, किसको पीना है? कोई नहीं. अरे बाप रे बाप. लेकिन डोंट वरी, I kept this sugar solution for everybody. Okay, just I am showing you what is the differentiation. अभी मुझे बताओ बेटा, what is the differences between this glass and this glass? Here we have added sugar in water. sugar डाल दिया पानी में. I have stirred it and so nicely. देखो कितनी सुंदर ये सारा sugar क्या हुआ, पानी के साथ मिल गया. यानी कि इट इज सल्यूबल इन वाटर. इफ आई आस्क द सल्यूबिलिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, दैट मीन शुगर इज सल्यूबल इन वाटर. बट हियर जितने भी स्टीर करो, ये स्टीर करो, बिल्कुल मिलता ही नहीं बेटा. द रेसिड्यूज नीचे सब बढ़ जाता है बेटा. दे आर नॉट सल्यूबल. Indirectly we can say with a very good scientific word that is insoluble in water. Sands are insoluble in water. Soluble हुआ नहीं ना, तो insoluble in water. Here the sugar is soluble in water. Sugar is a material and also the sand is a material. According to the properties and characteristics related to the solubility of the materials, we can say sugar is soluble in water when sand is insoluble in water. Insoluble मिलता ही नहीं बेटा. जितनी बार भी आप स्टीर करो, जिस ढंग से भी स्टीर करो, this is the characteristics or properties of certain materials that is called as your solubility. Some of them disappear in water. Here what happened? Sugar is disappear. दिखाई नहीं देते बेटा. कहाँ छुप गया, कहाँ छुपा? टेबल के नीचे नहीं ना, डेस्क के नीचे नहीं, और किधर? डोर का पीछे नहीं, पानी के अंदर छुप गया. कौन छुपा? शुगर छुपा. यानी कि इट इज कॉल्ड एज द शुगर इज सल्यूबल. disappear. Some of them disappear while others remain unchanged in water. Sand is unchanged. जिस ढंग पे था उस ढंग पे भी है, छुपा नहीं जा सकता है. So it is called as what? It is called as what? A water soluble substance is a substance that disappears when mixed with water. Water soluble. The characteristics of sugar is water soluble, and the characteristics of water is water soluble. As my dear, the characteristics of sand is insoluble. Am I clear? Insoluble. Is soluble. Salt, it is soluble. Sugar, it is soluble. Just see what we have done here in the class. The same thing is given in this picturization. Am I clear? My dear students, will proceed accordingly. Okay, so this is called as your sugar solution, or you can say the salt solution. And here, as I have told you, there are certain substances, they are called as insoluble substances. They can't soluble in water. An insoluble substance is a substance. An insoluble substance is a substance like your sand in water that doesn't disappear or dissolve when mixed with water. जब मैंने मिक्स किया, स्टिर किया, कुछ भी किया, तब तक अभी तक वो मिक्स नहीं हुआ. For example, sand, balu. This is the best example what we have done in this classroom. As well as chalk, बोर्ड में लिखा है ना, टीचर्स लोग लिखता है डस्ट. दैट चॉक एंड ऑल्सो sawdust. वुड होता है ना, उसको कट करने से कई सारी टुकड़ा निकलता है एकदम, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, दैट कॉल्ड एज द sawdust. All are called as what? Tell me. Insoluble substances. Sand is an insoluble substance. Chalk is an insoluble substance in water. All are there. This is all about the solubility as well as their insolubility nature of certain substances. Am I clear? Next we'll go for another characteristics that is based on the transparency. Transparency. Transparency क्या होता है बेटा? This is a very important word. बहुत ही सुंदर word. ये सब आपको याद करना चाहिए. We'll discuss now what is transparency. And my dear students, from our Orion learning module, so nicely we have prepared this. Please go through, my dear. Just give a look. Characteristics based on transparency. What is transparency? A material that completely transmits light is called a transparent object. कोई भी मटेरियल बेटा, जो मटेरियल कंप्लीटली ट्रांसमिट लाइट, जिसके अंदर लाइट घुस सकता है, क्लियर, पूरा साफ दिखाई देते हैं, वो होता है ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल ग्लास, वाटर. अभी हम देखें उसको, नो इशू. दिस इज ग्लास, दिस इज ग्लास. ग्लास देखो, ग्लास के अंदर यहीं पे मैंने, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग माई पेन बैक साइड ऑफ दिस ग्लास. कैन ऑल यू विजुअलाइज द पेन? यस. व्हाई? बिकॉज द लाइट पास. पानी दिखाई देते हैं, पानी ऑल्सो, दिस इज ऑल्सो क्लीन. So the best example is your glass and water, etc. Am I clear? Then again also that another one thing after this transparency, one translucent is there. One is your transparent related to the transparency. Another is your translucent. The proper pronunciation, translucent, transparent. Translucent, a material that partially transmits light is called a translucent object. Partially, not completely. Example like a window. We have been preparing certain windows that are made up of certain glasses. But what we have done, that glass is not transparent. थोड़ा बहुत दिखाई देते, light passing not clearly. So that's why. And also tissue papers are there, oil paper. Have you seen the oil paper? One piece of paper, you put in oils. If you go through that paper, you can't visualize clearly. But थोड़ा बहुत, ये जो थोड़ा बहुत होता है ना बेटा, that is called as the translucent. And जब clear, एकदम clear, this is transparent. Okay, this is transparent as well as this is translucent. Apart from this transparent and translucent, my dear, there is another one important things that we must have to discuss here. That is called as opaque. That is called as what? Opaque. Opaque. O-P-A-Q-U-E. Opaque. A material that doesn't completely transmit light is called an opaque object. जिसके जरिए बिल्कुल लाइट इधर से उधर ना जा पाए, बीच में, इसको बीच में मैंने रख दिया. ओके, मे बी दिस वन आई विल कीप हियर, आई विल सेंड लाइट फ्रॉम दिस साइड. इज द लाइट विल कम टू दिस साइड? नो, नेवर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एन ओपेक. दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड. ओके, हियर आई विल पास सर्टेन लाइट फ्रॉम दिस साइड. Okay, I'll put light here. Can you find the light, the back of this wood? No, never. So this object is called as an opaque object. Opaque, बिल्कुल नहीं बेटा. Transparent, yes, 100% perfect, पूरा clear. Translucent थोड़ा बहुत. Opaque बिल्कुल नहीं. इसका मतलब transparent, the opposite is opaque, and in between translucent will come. थोड़ा बहुत. This is depend upon the characteristics. It is named accordingly. Transparent, translucent, and your opaque. The best example is your wood, wall, door, ये सब etc. You can't find light. If you put the light from this side, you can't find at that side. This is the material is called as your opaque, according to their characteristics. Am I clear?